Present, the Chief Council, elder statesmen, special advisors to the governor, Mayor of Falga, and Chairman of the gentlemen. Welcome to the commissioning of the GRA flyover.
By a young man who has been praised by so many of the GRA flyover today.
But frankly, let me thank the two communities, and that was why the CLOs came from the two communities. Oromezibu had their own CLO, Romadoro had their own CLO. And when we started this construction, of course, as usual, people will always complain that this project will not be completed. As part of those elephant projects, they will leave it, and then they will leave, the people will suffer. Today, we have silenced all those who have that in mind, that no project will be left abandoned in this our administration. And like what Jos Berger MD said here, when was this project awarded? Tell me where anybody could finish. How many flyovers? Within 2 years, the 9 flyovers were awarded in 2019. As I speak today, we are commissioning the 5th flyover. The 6th one will be ready by the end of this month. We'll commission it in January. Flyover will commission in February next year. So before you knew it, we'll have commissioned 7 flyovers. 7. Tell me which government can say they awarded 9 flyovers in 2 years and completed 2. Tell me which government. Which government can say they have done that? So our people should have confidence in this government that when we make promise, we must fulfill it. Time has passed when politicians will come and make promises to the people, and then after the people have voted them in, you hear excuses and excuses and excuses. Ours is different. We are not going to give any excuse, and that is why any money that comes, we put it to judicious use for the benefit of our people. And so, if I borrow money from bank, and what is important, all of us, is to ask the people that you have voted, this money you are borrowing, can we see what you have used it for? It's very, very important. You don't just say, I borrowed 20 billion naira. We agree, you have borrowed 20 billion. Tell us what have you used that 20 billion naira for? I've collected such amount of money for the federation account. What have you used it for? People should start asking a question. And so I want PDP people, anywhere you go, let the people challenge us. That you borrowed this money, that this money came from federation account. Name what you have used the money for. Name them. And so we can name them. Community to community. Local government to local government. Nobody can run away. At least, if you cannot name most of you who don't go home, you don't even know what is happening in your communities or in your local government. But since you're in Port Harcourt, name these ones. Since you're in Port Harcourt, name this one. Since you don't go home to know the ones in your local government. But you can name these ones here. So if they ask you, the money you have been borrowing, tell them, Abali flyover is there. Tell them, Rebisi flyover is there. Tell them, Okono the flyover is there. Tell them, Rumaba flyover is there. Tell them, Rumaba flyover is there. Tell them, Jaruya flyover. Tell them, Pola the Worogo flyover. Tell them, Ruma Picom flyover. That this is where our money is going. Since you don't go home to know the ones in your area. But for those of us who go home, you can also tell them, Sakumwa Body Road is there. Tell them, Tascana Phase 1 is there. Tell them, Daruma Kwanda Road is there. Tell them, Ahuda Mok Dualation is there. Since you don't go home. You know, so it is not for you to say, look, there's nobody. Tell them, Chokoche Ibodi, we will flag it off very soon. Tell them, Oyibo. So we tell them the mother and child hospital. Tell them all the cancer center is there. Tell them the pleasure park is there. Tell them the teaching hospital is there. So don't even talk about OGRA. Don't even talk about GRA. Look at how we have transformed the entire city. Look at how we have transformed the entire city. So so you can see all the money we are collecting, what we are using it for. Let them tell us the money they collected during that time, what they use it for. I'm not with any paper here. But I know all the projects we have embarked upon. I know all the projects we're embarking upon. And I know each one when it will end, when we commission it. So we should be happy. And that is why the opposition party has nothing to say again.
Yes.
Local government by local government, they should challenge us. If we're not critical, say yes, we're not critical. After we are creating land for them, after we are doing the second phase of our culture. If they say, ask them now, what is going on? And we are giving them land because they need land. Tell them. So it is not a question of what you have done. We can say so. Before they say we don't like the Calabari people. Now they have sent us Calabari. They prepare to go and kidnap the workers so that we will abandon the road. We will not abandon. So if you like, go and kidnap all the workers. We will complete that road.
I see the pain them, you go to see us. I see the see us, you go to pain them. I see the pain them, you go to see us. I see the see us, you go to pain them.
So you don't hear already again. He's doing in the prayer line. He's doing in Upland. Nobody's talking again. So we have shut the mouth of our critics because nothing again. What can they say? This is what Port Harcourt is supposed to be. This is what we have. If the last administration has taken this not to do Momongot project that can never finish, we have kept their monument there for them. Their children will use it as a museum.
We can do more than
You know, so each time you ride on this road in the night, you will see the happiness in you. You see the beauty of the city. I'm sure the house rent here has gone up.
your name is Yahweh. Your name is Yahweh. You are the miracle working God. Your name is Yahweh.
So, Julius Berger, I thank you. I'll continue to thank you. Each time we do the job, we're happy. This is one company I hardly supervise because you can go home and sleep well. That they will complete on time. By the special grace of God, before the end of the new year or first week of the new year, we'll make sure we flag off the last flyover we promised, which is the Remo Cross Limbu flyover. 10 flyovers. 10 flyovers. 10. You know, and we don't do one project in 4 years. God forbid for me to do one project in 4 years. What kind of project is that? Every project must be funded. If there's no money, no award of a project. Some politicians told me that why not reduce your hand? That the election is coming. So what is that? Your campaign for election is not the money you spend. Your campaign for election is the projects you have executed. That is what it's supposed to be. Not to keep money to go and buy security people, buy INEC. No. Put the money here. The people will look at it. When you come to you ask them, did I not tell you I would do this? Yes. Did I do it? Yes. So they will be with you. Like those people who will bring their money and give security men and INEC, you see that they will fail. So anybody not taking over from us, know that we have campaigned for the person. The campaign is over. That is why everybody is just linked to the governor. Because they know what I've done. I've cleared the road. So everybody says, no, me, I want to be governor. The campaign is over. But no, I didn't see this one. If they have done the campaign for me, I wouldn't have been suffering like this. Look at how I'm macheted. You know? Now those of them who want to be governor, instead of them macheting to work out, they are getting fat every day. You know? But this is how government is supposed to be. Your project speaks for you. So our project for PDP speaks for us. PDP did not make a mistake by choosing us to be here. I'm sure even those in the other association, they are worried. What are we going to tell people now? What are we going to tell them? Because where will you go to? If you go to a local government now, all my internal road is there, all internal road is there, all my internal road is coming. It's so well has been done. So what will you tell them? I'm not from there. Is it Mwawa? What will you tell them? He said the road has been done. Rumakwan the road is going. Mutawa road is going. What will he talk? What will he say? So every chief who's an APC member, now he has seen for the first time Ahuda road has been dualized. He's happy. That's why he's here. He's not here. He's not here because he's here. Look, I'm a Rivers person. Yes, I'm in the party, but let me go and witness the progress in our state. Chibudomo, thank you. Thank you very much. You know, so if we have money, we'll continue to do more projects and to give it to companies that we know will execute those projects. So, special guest of honor, this is the little you have seen we have done, and we're happy that our people are happy. When your people are happy, you will be happy. But when your people are angry, you can't be happy when your people are angry. Any man who is happy when his people are angry, then that man is something else. He does not have the mind of a human being. But when your people are happy, you must be happy. So when they are angry, you have to ask, why are my people angry? They are angry because no road for them. They are angry because no school for them. They are angry because no health facility for them. And then you cannot be happy because those things are not in existence. So anywhere I go to, I feel so happy. I can walk around the street. I can go to Rumezumbe. Nobody can touch me. Not one. In fact, they will even protect me. That's it. I don't need to carry army. I don't need to. Those who carry army are those who are not sure of themselves. In your own community, where you became a governor, in your own local government, where you became a council chairman, you cannot move. That cannot be possible. Any council chairman that cannot move around the communities of that local government has something wrong with him. I was chairman of a local government, and of course, it was not in dispute. There's no community I did not touch. It was not in dispute. All through our period, I was identified as the best chairman of this state. I took all the awards. So I can go to my local government any day, any time, and go to all the communities and wards. That's what they call leadership. When you take governance to the people, you have simplified it. So continue to support us and look at what the communities have done. They never stopped the company from working. They never stopped them from working. And that's why the company was able to conclude this project. And that gives no issue of variation. No variation. I don't like the word variation. And the one, it is not in my dictionary. That is where you see corruption. People, that's why when they see federal government budget, how can he award a job of 60 billion? Then in the budget of the year, you put 2 billion. What kind of contract is that? A contract of 60 billion, then what you see in that year is 2 billion. Why would there not be variation? That job will last in the next 10 years. And that is the problem we have in our contract execution. You give Jonas Berger a job of 60 billion, then in that year of the budget, you put 2 billion to execute a project of 60 billion. Now they are putting 2 billion, which means in 10 years' time, is 20 billion, is it not? So you cannot finish even the project in 20 years. And they're looking at the inflation trend in our country. Every year, Jonas Berger will put a variation. Why? The price of things have gone up. So they will put variation. So at the end of the day, the job will not be 60 billion. It will go to 80 billion. But here, Jonas Berger cannot tell us that because we have already given them 70% upfront. So they cannot come and tell me variation. No. By giving 70%, we expect you to work up to 80-90%. They don't even reach before we bring our money. Finish our job. So we're happy. So those of you who want to be in this position, understand that you have to make sure that any project you are giving out, make sure there's funding for it. Not just to say, next year I'm sure we'll get money. Don't be sure, anything can happen. Let the money be there first. Don't rush. Don't rush. Because it is better to finish the ones you've given than to say you awarded 20 projects and you only commissioned 1. No. It's better you award 2 and finish the 2. Let it be on record as you are leaving. I awarded 2 and I finished the 2. It is good than to award 20 and you have not achieved the 1. On that note, sir, may I invite our special guest of honor, Senator Chief Mike Osakome, Senior Advocate of Nigeria. I don't know of the masses. I know the Senior Advocate of Nigeria. Thank you and God bless you.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.